got in the door. Thought about sitting down and eating. And then I got a call going, hey, you came here like a month ago? I just got home from work at 8 o'clock. And I think there's water in the basement. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I got no choice, right? That's broken. That's the pipe coming in from the street. That really sucks. You gotta call the water company. Yeah, the pipe just comes up out of the ground. Man, that sucks. That's a lot of water.
Nothing. It's just spinning. It's moving.
Is out of valves. Some stuff floating down here. Packing's leaking on that. Oh man, she was right. There was water in the basement.